Welcome to our comprehensive guide on recognizing and avoiding phishing scams. Phishing scams are deceptive attempts to trick you into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or credit card details. These scams can pose a serious risk to your online security and personal information. To protect yourself, it's important to know how to recognize phishing scams. Always check the email address of the sender. Phishing emails often use fake or similar-looking addresses. Pay attention to spelling mistakes or grammatical errors in the email. These can be signs of a phishing attempt. If you suspect you've received a phishing email, do not click on any links or download any attachments. Instead, report the email to your IT department or the appropriate authorities. If you accidentally clicked on a phishing link, immediately change your passwords and monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity. Remember, staying vigilant and maintaining good cybersecurity habits is crucial in protecting yourself from phishing scams. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity tips on CyberSensei.